Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to video call between iPhone and Android. All right, let's begin. So, in order to video call between Android and iPhone, you have to follow these steps. First, you can use FaceTime even though it's an Apple exclusive app. On the iPhone, open FaceTime and tap Create Link, optionally naming the link. Share this link with your Android friend, and they can join the call through their web browser by entering their name and waiting for you to let them in. You can also use WhatsApp, which is free, syncs your contacts automatically, and supports one-on-one or group video calls. Open a chat with the person you want to call and tap the camera icon in the top right corner to start the call. Lastly, for enhanced privacy, Signal is a strong choice, offering end-to-end encryption for all video calls, including group calls, and works across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. Using any of these apps, you can easily bridge the gap between Android and iPhone users and stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues without hassle. And that's it. So that's basically how you can video call between iPhone and Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.